Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Filipus Kenale Sada Balamakin and you can call me Kevin. I am a student from STPM Yogyakarta and in this video I will discuss about handicraft. Handicraft is art activities that emphasize hand skills and functions to process raw materials that are often found in the environment into objects that are not only of use value but also of aesthetic value. Okay, I want to show you a handicraft that is Blangkon. Do you know what is Blangkon? Blangkon is synonymous with traditional Javanese clothing, especially Central Java and Yogyakarta. In its development, Blangkon not only serves as a head covering, but also a status symbol for the community who wears it. The first, you must prepare tools and materials. First, needles, malau, pliers, chopsticks, scissors, the ring, hammer or wood, spoon, and water. And material used, mondola, tunjungan, batik cloth, the congkreng, and Blangkon mold.
Okay, now I will explain to you the step for making blankon. First, fold the fabric in a triangle shape and then cut the ends about 15 centimeters. Second, the biru process. Here we are using the wet method. Then the bottom is wetted by bruising and then folded. Furthermore, the bottom part that has been folded is then sewn so that it does not come off. Do the same for the other side. After the wiru process is complete, the fabric that has been shaped is then dried in the sun for 2 hours. After the drying process is complete, prepare a blankon mold, then sew the inside according to the excited mold. The mold is the shape of a head. Next, put the mondolan on the inside of the blankon and sew it. Mondolan is made of cotton, then sewn and shaped like this, friends. Then, the fabric resulting from the plait process is sewn on the side of the inner fabric so that it circles the inner fabric. The next step is that the stitches are inserted into the mold so that they can be adjusted in size. The remaining cloth on the back is then lifted and covers the top of the blankon as well as the mondolan. Then trim the folded sides of the blankon. Then the rest of the side cloth is directed to cover the top so that there is a motif. After everything has been tidied up, then sewn again so that it does not come off and still looks neat. The blankon is then cleaned by brushing it with a toothbrush and water, then drying it in the sun. The final stage, the blankon is removed from the mold and ready to use. Okay, that's how to make blankon that I can explain to you. Hopefully it will useful for all of you. Thank you greeting of Indonesian culture, greetings of tourism.
Let's go.